decided to tackle the issues regarding the swine industry, particularly about the African swine fever. Our discussion will focus on the following: the definition of African swine flu or fever, the overview of the Philippine swine industry, challenges and recommendations for African swine fever, including mitigation and management.
African swine fever is a highly infectious disease of pigs that has case fatality rate up to 100% in domestic pigs and wild boars. The disease is limited to all breeds and types, with all ages being equally susceptible to the virus. Although the virus does not infect humans, it poses a massive threat to the global pig industry.
In 2007, ASFV spread from Africa to Georgia and has since spread to many countries across northern and eastern Europe, Russia, and Asia, including China, which produces over half of the world's pork. This outbreak has resulted in the death and slaughter of millions of pigs. There is currently no effective vaccine to treat fever symptoms.
Clinical signs of African swine fever include vomiting, high fever, diarrhea, reddening or darkening of skin, labor bleeding, abortion or stillbirth, as pregnant weakness, high mortality, and sudden death. Transmission of African swine fever can include following: direct contact, contaminated species, secretion, patient contaminated bedding, fever, throat fever, contaminated throat or passage, toxic, uncontaminated vehicles, equipment, and other factors. In the Philippines, swine industry is a major contributor to the country's livestock business, which is about 55% of the total animal industry. About 70% of the country's swine population comes from backyard farms, while the remaining 30% are from commercial farms. As previously mentioned, African swine fever is a highly infectious and severe hemorrhagic disease of pigs and has a case fatality rate of up to 100% in domestic pigs and wild boars.
One major issue being faced by the swine industry is the prevalence of the African swine fever. The Philippines confirmed its first ASF outbreak in July 2019 with cases coming from Luzon, Mindanao, Leyte, and Samar Islands. Through Proclamation Number 1143, Series 2021, the country was declared to be in a state of calamity due to the drastic increase in ASF cases. As of May 2021, ASF has spread to 12 regions, 46 provinces, 493 cities and municipalities, and 2,561 villages. We have identified three major challenges and issues concerning ASF mitigation and management: social, economic, and ASF has hit backyard farmers harder than commercial pork producers. Unimaginable financial losses led to some businesses closing.
Also, control of ASF poses a challenge due to several factors such as complex epidemiology of the disease, lack of safe and effective vaccine, increasing globalization, and high-risk practices that continue in certain farming sectors.
Development and mass production of locally made ASF test kits took quite some time due to funding and the complexity of the virus in general, more so for vaccine manufacturing. For social issues, evidently, ASF has caused panic and major doubts to consumers in terms of the pork safety and origin. There was also inadequate communication and understanding on ASF risk mitigation information. Lastly, there was lack of trust building with the affected areas, farmers, associations, stakeholders, and farmer education to enhance biosecurity and reduce the spread of ASF. For environmental challenges, Although there was mobilization of resources and task forces in the screening, monitoring of movement and point of sale, and testing of live swine and pork products, there was still a concurrent global health crisis, which was COVID-19, that implemented restricted movements and/or localized lockdowns. Lastly, fearing of insufficient government indemnification, hog farmers tend to hide their infected pigs until such succumb to ASF and are afterwards illegally dumped in the rivers and elsewhere.
Here are our recommendations. Number one is to strengthen the export farm, explore the following areas.